Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim Reza. So in this video I am going to talk about Freshworks chat. So this is very popular tools to engage with your website visitor and convert them to a customer. Okay, so this is the live chatbot you can install to your website. Like this it will work. So we will actually try this. Okay, first of all, we need to create an account on this platform to using their service. First of all, I just want to try it for free. They also have the premium plan, of course, but we will use the free for the beginning. So I'm continuing with my Google account. Within few clicks, you can create your account. Just give a company name. I just want to keep my name and my dummy phone number and try free. And you can see within few seconds they have my account inside of their website, and this is they're welcoming me. So I just want to follow few next step. I just want to make it for e-commerce, or somehow just customer service software in past. Just you need to describe your business. They actually collecting some data from you, so nothing else. Okay, yes, now this is the inside view of the website. So you can see they actually try to do some dummy customer set. So if you integrate with that, then you will see the inside view of that. So I will try to explain all of the features they have. So you can see we are now in understand the team toolbox. Then support channel, we need to connect. You can support, like if you want you can connect your WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, phone, SMS, Apple Business, whatever you want. They will add on your website. So there is a feature called preview web chat, so we can preview it. So you can see when I clicked on preview, they are showing something like this. So when you will add that other platform, then that also will show on there. Okay, so if you want you can do that. And this is the explore agent. In this section we will see some agent chatbot, AI agent. Okay, so if you want you can use their pre-made template. They actually will work automatically. Okay, so you don't need to active on your website. Your AI will handle of your customer. Okay, so this is pretty good. So if you want to use that, simply you need to click on use and you need to follow a step to using that. So then in the next left hand side window you will see some feature here. So this is free beta. This is the another chat like a chat GPT, and this is support dashboard. If you need any support from them, then you can go with that, and you will see the all the day like the analytics view of your website you will see on there. Okay, and then this is the conversions box. Then you will see when someone start working on there, you will see on there. And this is the contact section. Here you will see the contact, segment, list, like it all about the customer information you will see on there. Then FAQ, AI agent chatbot, and camping. When you have email or customer information, you can easily run camping and for remarketing. Okay, is you can easily do that. And this is some admin section, like if you, this is actually quite important for you to understand, because when you want to connect it to your website, it will help you to do that. Okay, so you will get all the administrative section on your setting section. So you can see this is, we are on the channel. So you can, if you want, you can add all the different channel as a chatbot on your website. You just simply integrate that. Then configuration and work. So configuration and workflows, you can manage workflows, campaign, collaboration, and other configuration you can do in that place. Okay, so you can see all the responses are camping, different type of tasks are available here. Okay, then Freddy AI and yourself. So this is the AI chatbot. If you want to say use their AI, you can use that. And marketplace and integration. Okay, so this is the marketplace and indication, like if you use different of marketplace, you can use that. You can see this is the conversion integration, like if you want to keep the sales, then you can also do that. Okay, if you want add it to Slack as well. So, and you can see CRM code library, CRM tracking code, integrate your website, the CRM track your visitor and contract. Okay, so you can easily integrate that code to your website. Okay, so if you don't have the website, then you can, like if you don't have the experience, then you can send it to your developer and he will do that. Okay, so create an update contact form, and you can also, your actually if you don't have experience, your developer will do that for you. Okay, so this is that. And if you go on again the admin settings, then we will on the account marketplace section, and if you want, you can use API conversion webhook. Okay, so conversion group, data and security, and account and billing. Like this section is when you want to upgrade their tools and want to use continuously, then you should add the billing and you should pick the plan. Okay,